I've got a 2013 Ford Focus. I'm going to change the front brakes. Let's go ahead and jack it up. Never trust your jack, always use a jack stand. Now just come in here with a screwdriver, makes it a lot easier. Put it behind there and just pop this little piece right here out. Now you can get it with your hand and pull it the rest of the way out. That's what it looks like. It's just a cap. Okay, it's a 7mm. Just stick it in there. Go up on it. It's going to be tight. And here's the other one on the bottom. Go ahead and stick your 7mm Allen wrench in there and take that one off. Here's what they look like when you get them out. Now go ahead and take your springs out. They're right here. Careful because they will fly. Put it aside. Now you can go ahead and take your brake caliper out away from the rotor. I'm going to have to take a screwdriver and pry it on out. Go ahead and hang it up here on the top. Right here is one of your brakes, and it wore down pretty good. Here's the other one. Definitely needs replaced. Rotor feels pretty good. Now go ahead and take a C-clamp. This is a 5-inch, but you can probably use a 4-inch. Take your brake shoe. Stick it back inside your caliper. You might need a 5-inch clamp. Stick it on there and just tighten it up. 4-inch might work though, I don't know. As you compress this cylinder, all of the brake fluid should go back up into the master cylinder. Okay, go ahead and dab a little bit of grease on these lips right here. I'll show you, as you can see how the brake goes in there. That little L-shaped piece, that hooks right in there. So you want to put a little bit of grease on this lower lip. Take your brake with the metal on it. That goes in the back inside your caliper. Slide it in. Take the other one. We'll go in like that. Hold on to it because it will fall out. Should just slide right in. Now I got to put the bolts in it. Go ahead and throw some grease on these before you slide them back in. It will help them to keep from freezing up and move a little easier. Now go ahead now and put your spring back on. Just slides in there like that. And the top one, just push it in. Pull it back. May have to take something and pop it in there. There you go. Now we'll go ahead and put the wheel back on it. Hope this helps. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.